So we thought we'd get a better video of going over the bridge today because it has been really nice and sunny, and just as I start to film,
the rain,
the black cloud descends as we get closer to the big bridge back over to the mainland, and yeah, so it looks like we won't get a nice sunny video for the bridge today, unfortunately.
There's the bridge. Look at the size of it.
Pretty big.
There's quite a bridge. It's definitely better than when we came over. It was chucking down the rain when we came down over.
Yeah, still looks pretty grey.
So as I said last night, we're going to a place called Port Garrion. I think it's called Port Garrion. It's just south of a town called Angers in France, which is sort of on the way to Le Mans, on the way to Dieppe, right in the middle. We're slowly making our way back to the ferry. We've got that in a couple of days. We'll be back to Europe in the summer. But for now, we're going to go and find a wild swimming spot. One problem with that is after the storms that were last week, most places are flooded, so the rivers could be completely flooded still, so we might not be able to actually swim in. But we're going to find a spot anyway and have a look, see what we can find.
It might be difficult to access a lot of the riverbanks that we've seen as we've been driving through are completely kind of like burst, and
they put barriers up on a lot of the like river beaches and things all along the coast, right from Oscar all the way up, Biscarrosse, La Canal, and even up here in Ile de Ré. So yeah, we'll go and find out and see what the crack is. And then we need to find somewhere to stay for the night. Haven't really worked that one out yet. So we've just there's like, I don't know if it's police or not, but basically it looks like it's some sort of VIP convoy or just a large vehicle coming through. It looks like a large vehicle. Oh, it is. It's a massive boat. Yeah. So they've stopped all the traffic, and there's this massive catamaran coming on a lorry. Look at that. Look at this, Ethan.
Look at this boat.
Look
kids.
out the window. Forwards.
Look forwards, kids. No.
So I don't know if you can see it, kind of coming in here
I'll get it
now.
This way.
But it's just about to come past. Look at the size of that boat.
That is huge.
So it's called Convoy Exceptional.
Whoa.
Someone's ordered a big old catamaran type boat for themselves. Oh, it looks like it might be an old one. Oh, not something you see every day.
Hey, we've stopped again.
And we've stopped again, and it looks like it's another wide load coming through.
The guy's just taken down the road sign. I don't know if you can see by that kind of water hydrant thing and the bollardy thing.
Technical terms. Another Convoy Exceptional. Here we go. What is it?
Another big boat.
Another big boat. Someone's
Prestige yachts. Well, that's close.
Someone's making some big purchases. Look. Must be the route for all the yacht deliveries. So yeah, there you go. That's two. Now this lorry is pulling over, which is good because he's very irritating. That's not even the river, is it?
That isn't the river, no. So we're really close to the spot that we had picked out to see if we could do some wild swimming, but as you can probably see from this footage, the river is expanded all over the place. We've just gone past the house back there that was underwater, and you can see all the water down here.
That's
Obviously
the
that
river.
is the river there.
There. almost up to the road.
Yeah.
So this little bit of road is supposed to be dotted with little riverbank beaches, but there's been so much rain.
Just there on the other side, and like I said, we just saw a house that was kind of fully submerged up to the door.
Yeah.
So they've obviously had a significant amount of rain.
Oh, you can see up here, look. You'll be able to see. Look at that.
Wow, what a beautiful river though.
I'd say that's about 2 meters higher than it should be.
Turn left.
So yeah, no wild swimming for us. Not in there anyway. So I'm not sure what we're going to do now.
Well, we'll probably need to.
The sunshine is out and it's telling me to go this way. So we're going to find a little village or something.
Hang on.
In
What's
half
this,
a mile, the destination is on your right. Fort Gorian.
Route impassable.
Yeah, but I don't think we should go down there then.
It's fun though.
Is that what that means? Into whatever it was.
Yeah.
It's like a single track.
Single track into a very flooded area. But this actually takes you to the town, according to the sat nav. So we'll go down, we'll have a look.
Hello, you two.
The kids literally haven't got a clue what's going on. They think we're mad at best of times.
Yeah, it's to show you the kids, right? So it is a travel day, so we do let them have their Kindles. Otherwise, it would just be crazy. Whoa. They would be fighting, and it would be a very stressful journey.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
Look at that. Loads of cows over there.
It's stranded. Got seagulls on the way. This is a dead end.
I think we might have to turn back.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Well, it did say it was a dead end.
Yeah, it did. It did say it was a dead end.
Yeah, I don't calm down anymore.
Oh look, looks nice down here.
If you've got a boat.
Yeah, look at that. So this is the village is that way. But look at this. I'm going to jump out quickly and film. I'm going to also turn the engine off just in case. Put it in gear so that we don't roll forward. But I just want to quickly show you this. It's a beautiful day. Look at this. It's mad, you can see the river flowing over there, so I think that's the river and it's just burst its banks and come over here. Could go for a swim here, but it doesn't look too pleasant, so maybe we'll give it a miss. Not sure Kate's up for it. So anyway, we'll go and find something else to do. So guys, we've just come to another part. This isn't even the river, this is just fields that are just all flooded. I don't know if you can see, kind of right over there is the river behind there. But where the rain's been so heavy, it's just literally flooded all of this farmland, all these fields. So this isn't even the river. So yeah, I think we're going to have to abandon the wild swim in this spot. Maybe we can find somewhere a bit further north tomorrow. We're going to hit a supermarket, grab some supplies, find somewhere to park for the night.
There's that house that I said was underwater there.
Wow.
Wow.
So guys, after a bit of drama trying to find a wild swimming spot, which we couldn't, we ended up in the town of Angers, which we thought was going to be just a small town. Turns out it's a bloody big city. Like driving through London, it was chaos. So I got a bit stressed about that and managed to pull over, and we decided to just go and get a supermarket, get some food, and now we found this place, which is another vineyard. So back on the start of our trip a few weeks ago, we found that vineyards are definitely the nicest places to stay in. They've always got 5 stars on Park Night, always free. Obviously you're not obliged, but it's always nice to buy a bottle of wine, which is always good, and you always get beautiful settings like this. So yeah, here we are, we're parked up here, and just so happens that this one's got free electric and a free shower and toilet block. So yeah, pretty cool. Little swing for the kids. They've got a shop here where they sell wine and fresh veg and fruit and all sorts. So yeah, we're here for the night. This is called, I've got no idea what it's called, but it's south of Angers on the Loire River. And there's Neve playing on a rope. Yeah, really nice spot. So we'll
Moringo or something.
is that what it's called? Don't know. It's up there. We're gonna have a look. Yeah, here for the night. So we are gonna go and buy some wine, put some food on, get the kids in bed and relax for the night, and try and figure out where we're going to go tomorrow, because we're kind of in the middle of nowhere now, so we've got to try and find some things of interest.
Love it.
A quick play in the park before bed. You're in your pyjamas, Neve?
Yes. I've been in my pajamas the whole day.
Oh yeah, you have been in your pyjamas the whole day. Look at this beautiful setting. So yeah, she's right, she has been in her pyjamas the whole day, but we've been driving all day, so.
A long time ago when I was at nursery and it was the sunset and it was tea time, I said, what a lovely sunset.
What a lovely sunset.
Because
And it is a lovely sunset there. So yeah, what I was just saying before the GoPro cut off, full SD card, is there's another space over there, but it's got no services. The one over here's got, we can get water and empty our waste and all that stuff, so we'll probably stay at that one. So yeah, for now the kids are just having a nice play in the park. Kate's tired, so she's yawning. And hopefully we'll find a little beer or something in a minute. So we're gonna walk around here, see what we can find.
Dinny din lays. Hang on, let me just burn otherwise.
Good morning, guys. So we did stay in this car park last night. It was actually really nice. Look, once all the traffic had gone, that died down about 7 o'clock actually. Yeah, super peaceful. Just the sound of these guys in the morning. Yeah, so it was a good one. Just 4 other campers. We took the kids to MacDonald's, which is just over there last night. We buckled. They've been going on about it all week. Well, all a few weeks actually, since we've been away. Every time we pass by, we're going to McDonald's, but we've avoided it till now, but we did last night, we caved. So today we are going to make our slow way to Dieppe. We're about 3 hours from Dieppe, and then we've got to jump back on the ferry back to England. Just gonna take in this view for the morning. I've got a coffee on the table over there, get some breakfast, and then I think 3 hours from Dieppe, but we've got all day to get there, so we're just gonna have a little slow drive, stop for some lunch, and then sadly jump on the ferry back to England, which I'm not overly happy about, to be honest. We didn't get quite as far south as I wanted to. I wanted to get into Portugal, but Kate had her concerns just with the time getting back. We could have done it, but we would literally have to spend 2 days of full driving to get back, and with the kids she wasn't keen, but we can do that next time. I think we'll get the ferry to Santander next time and drive down. But until then, we'll drag you along on our little journey back to Dieppe, to the ferry. Where are we going, Ethan?
We're gonna do one last croissant run when we're on holidays.
Yeah! See, on this trip, me and Ethan have been running to the local patisserie to get croissants and baguettes in the morning. So this is our last one, isn't it, Ethan?
Yeah.
Our last little run to the patisserie in the morning. So yeah, that's been our little thing.
There's the patisserie.
There's our little patisserie haul, some baguettes, croissants, pain au chocolat.